Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So once again, Microsoft has confirmed yet another known issue over on its known issues health dashboard page, where reset and recovery operations on some Windows versions might fail. And these are the affected platforms. And believe it or not, once again, Windows 11 24H2 is not affected. It's basically affecting Windows 11 version 23H2, 22H2, and Windows 10 across the board, and no server editions and versions of Windows are affected, according to Microsoft. Now, here's the issue. Microsoft says that after installing the August 2025 Windows Security Update, so that's the Patch Tuesday updates, and for Windows 11 23H2, that would be KB 5063875, and for Windows 10, that would be KB 5063709. I've posted on both those updates. Both those videos will be linked if you'd like some more information. Microsoft says that if you install those updates on any of the versions listed here, Microsoft says that attempts to reset or recover the device might fail. This issue happens, Microsoft says, when users perform one or more of the following processes. So if we head into our settings, system, and recovery, and reset my PC, if you try to reset your PC that way, that's where this issue can occur. Or if you use fix problems using Windows Update, which is obviously just a Windows 11 feature, the issue can also occur. And if you are in an enterprise environment, using remote wipe CSP could also cause the issue. Now, Microsoft says next steps, it's working to release an out-of-band update, which will be an emergency update for the affected platforms to resolve this issue in the coming days. More information will be provided when it is available, and obviously when that does become available and I get that info, I'll try and keep you guys in the loop. So if you are experiencing that issue where your reset and recovery operations on those versions of Windows are failing, that's why, according to Microsoft, and I hope they roll that emergency update out sooner than later. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.